In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Messenger not working, 2026 full guide. If Messenger isn't sending messages, loading chats, or opening properly, don't worry. In most cases, the issue can be fixed with a few simple checks. We'll go through the most effective solutions in a clear order so you can find the problem and get Messenger working again. First, check your internet connection. Messenger depends on a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection to send and receive messages. A quick way to test this is to open a website or try another app that uses the internet. If nothing is loading properly, your connection may be the real issue. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see whether one works better than the other. Next, restart the Messenger app. Close the app completely instead of just minimizing it. Remove it from your recent apps, then reopen Messenger and see if it starts working again. This can help clear temporary app glitches that often cause freezing or loading problems. If that doesn't help, restart your device. Turn your phone or computer off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Once your device has restarted, open Messenger again. This is a simple fix, but it can solve background software issues that interfere with apps. You should also make sure Messenger is up to date. Open the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. Search for Messenger and install any available update. Running an outdated version can sometimes cause errors or compatibility problems. If you're using Android, try clearing the Messenger cache. Go to Settings, then Apps. Choose Messenger, open Storage, and tap Clear Cache. After that, restart the app. On iPhone, there isn't a dedicated cache clearing option, so if needed, you may have to uninstall and reinstall the app later. Another important step is checking app permissions. Open your device settings, go to Apps, select Messenger, and open permissions. Make sure features like camera, microphone, photos, and notifications are enabled if you use them. Missing permissions can make parts of Messenger seem broken. You can also log out of Messenger and then sign back in. After signing out, close the app, reopen it, and log back in using your Facebook account. This can refresh your session and fix account-related glitches. If the issue still continues, uninstall Messenger, restart your device, then reinstall the app from your app store and sign in again. Also remember that sometimes the problem isn't on your side. Messenger or Meta servers may be temporarily down, so if many users are having the same issue, wait a few minutes and try again later. Finally, check your Facebook account. Make sure it isn't restricted or temporarily locked, confirm you're using the correct login details, and try opening Messenger in a web browser to see whether the issue is only affecting the app.